Guys, check this out. This is a vintage parrot. Let me step back a little bit here. It's got a lot of time on it. It says Shepard of the Hills. It's got a little hook over here, and it's made out of chalkware. It has an original sticker. I guess this was in an antique store for 20 bucks, and they went $7 for it. That's pretty cool. I mean, the paint and stuff on it, this has got I'm guessing this is 50s. It might even be 40s. I'm close to getting it, but I got so much junk right now, and it's got damage and stuff up over here on the head, so it's got some time on it. If it was in a little bit better shape, maybe, but that's pretty cool. Now, I've never seen anything quite like it. Gonna pass. Off we go.